All right, we're in the shop and I have another update video for you guys. Been hard at work getting a whole bunch of stuff in here and making a bunch of little changes, and it's getting really close to being a workable, usable space. So let's start off with some clips in the parts storage room and getting some carpet down, some trim, and then eventually some shelves, which were much needed. And then we'll continue on, show you guys everything I'm doing. Official, XS400 is the first bike in the shop. Gonna have a kickstand pads. So because I had these floors done, I was like, oh, I don't want to scratch them, so I'm gonna get some kickstand pads. And then that turned into having a whole bunch of custom ones made. So if you guys are interested, you're on the website. Buy 3, get 1 free. Well, it's getting real now. There's an echo in here. Most everything is cleared out. And basically it's time to start moving in. So I'm just kind of sweeping the floor because I don't know what else to do right this second. Kind of panic mode because it's getting real, like I said. But I'm gonna go get a shop vac tomorrow or something, and like a new one, and start moving stuff. But one of the first things, CB750 frame, and then of course the 2 bikes in there. So it's gonna be an adventure, guys. All right, coming at you from the merch room. First, just put new LEDs in place of these bulbs right here, and it's a lot better in here. So hopefully I can move this light over to that slot over there. That would be nice because we have too much light right here, not enough light over there. Anyway, as you can see, I'm working on carpet squares. Now, I have never done anything like this before, so we're figuring it out, but I've got a chalk line drawn, just kind of getting an idea of where I need to make my adjustments. So basically, we're gonna end up pushing this all the way over to that side. That is going to give us a nice piece to cut around the wall over here. And then we're also going to move this whole section over about 5.5 inches. And that's gonna give us one continuous runner section all the way down behind me there. So I think that's going to look good. Another reason we're doing that is because the entrance is going to be the kind of maximum amount of just continuous pieces. So we'll have a whole section here of unbroken pieces or uncut, and I think that'll look the best. So we're going to figure it out. We're just going to, I've watched a YouTube video on it, and we're going to go for it. So I'm going to kind of box these back up. I will remark my chalk line, and then we will start building actually from that wall over here. We'll hopefully do a good job around this section right here. And then we'll be left with, probably about a half piece over there. And then what I've estimated is we'll have about a half piece all along that wall over there. But we're mainly gonna have shelves and stuff, so you won't even see it. And then back here, this will just be all up against the wall. We'll have full pieces. I think it'll look good. So I guess I'm going to set up the time lapse and let's get to work here. Learn something new today. I think I did a pretty good job. That actually wasn't too bad. Really happy with the amount I have left. It's probably 12 of the 15 sheets in this final box. So unlike the plywood before, didn't have to run out and grab more. And honestly, I'm kind of thinking now, I might put carpet right here, you know, and that would help ease that transition a little bit more. I mean, since I got it, this is kind of I'm unsure about what to do with this space. It looks kind of cool how it is, but at the same time, it's kind of rough, and I don't know, I have the carpet, so maybe we'll use it. Who knows? But I'm gonna call it a day, and I'm happy with this. So next up for this room is we just finish getting the trim painted, and then put the trim back in, start putting shelves up. And this room is damn near done. So that is gonna be awesome. Well, I was just talking to the camera, but it was filming in time lapse, so that probably looks funny. But anyway, that just took me about 15 minutes. That's a very satisfying tool to use. I've actually never used one before, so had to end up buying one because it didn't work out borrowing one, but that's okay. I bought one that's also compatible with staples, which means that I can use that on seat pans and stuff like that should I choose to do so in the future. So it'll get used, but for the first time, knocked out all the trim in this room. That was a lot of fun. And as of now, other than some outlet covers, this room is complete. So that means I can start loading it up with shelves. That's gonna be a big step. Whew. We are working today. I got the van loaded up. First real initial run of stuff in the warehouse. Just cleared out 3 of our shelves. So we're actually gonna have to modify these things and cut them down height-wise to fit in that back room, which is gonna suck, but gotta do it. So just grabbed all of the organized stuff that we have, and then the rest is unorganized chaos. So we've got Santa Cruz boards, we've got Triumph parts, CBX parts, all kinds of stuff that I haven't gone through yet. I have this gigantic hoard of vintage NGK spark plugs that I've yet to really sort through and get listed. So if you guys need some like D8 ES plugs, I have hundreds of them. So, and then when we come back, you know, we'll just have to start grabbing boxes, and then probably later on today grab some more bikes. And this place is gonna start looking empty. So really excited though. This is a good part of the process. Now, I'm thinking this shelf might go in the back of the shop. That might fit in a section really well, and that'll still allow me to have like my tires and stuff down there. Those are all bad tires. I don't know why I still have them, but I have them. So yeah, we're making progress, and eventually the goal is definitely to organize and catalog, photograph, and list all of this stuff up on my eBay store, because it's kind of sparse right now. So we're going to make a run back to the warehouse, unload all of this, and get started on modifying the shelves. Alright, as you see, we've got 3 inches cut from the top here. So basically eliminated one potential rung set point location. So I think we got our spacing down, and luckily these things have kind of a double channel or a double rung retainer system, so we can put 2 on one beam and we'll be good. So I actually need to move this back out. But we'll start setting this thing up. Unfortunately, I can't get like 3 long in here, so we'll do like 2 here and then 1 along that wall. And until I find a different shelf or something, that's what we'll do. Good. Alright. Now we just got one more. We already got one section cut, but one more to go right here. And then start bringing boxes up. Yay! Ah, yes. Parts storage, not bad, not bad. You know, we couldn't fit one that way, but this isn't bad. You got full access to it over here. And then we still have this area. I could always build like a little table or something. So another opportunity there, but this room is gonna start being useful. Check it out. We have a table. So it's a Harbor Freight unit. I got this thing on Marketplace, so I'm also gonna put a Condor wheel chock on this thing, as that is way much more better. But got that red and red, looks good. Looking more complete. Also, look at this. Whipped this thing up yesterday, nice little helmet cubby. I got some of my favorites in there. Oh yeah. And then we've also got some parts moved over. So already we're making use of this place. It is looking awesome. All right, as you see, we've been making a bunch of changes. So yeah, got my bike up here. This is something I built in probably 2015 as part of a website build off. It was ratrodbikes.com. So that's just been sitting in my office for years, and I knew I wanted it to go right there. And I got another special one that's gonna go right there. And it's not my double-decker bike, even though this thing is super cool. We can't put this on display because I like to ride it. It's too much fun. So yesterday, brought over the lift. Obviously you guys get a sneak peek at the workbench. This is gonna have a full-blown build video on it. So that thing was much needed and it was built exactly to that space. And then my current bench is gonna fit perfectly right there. So I mentioned this little cubby over here. So we got, you know, that space is looking nice. Just started bringing over some artwork. Got my little table set up in here. I don't know if it's gonna stay there, but I don't know, it's there now. As far as the kitchen and bathroom, sinks work. So that looks really cool. Yeah, we have like exposed piping and stuff down here, but I felt like that worked with the, you know, industrial look. Over here, this is a 82 or 83 Kawasaki 750 Twin. This is actually the first custom bike I built. And my dad ended up buying that off of me, which was a complete surprise. So it has just stayed around, and now it's back here, and this is kind of a cool display piece. Maybe we'll make some content on it in the future. It's been a mess trying to like losing keys on it, and then the carbs go bad, and just it's been a mess. But you know what? That is a cool bike still. Kitchen, got my shop fridge over here, as you guys saw. Fastest fridge in 3 counties. Got enough stickers on there on all the sides. So of course got the kitchen working in here, the sink working in there. Got my merch room set up. So this thing is oddly heavy, like absurdly heavy for what it is. But had to get a new printer because yeah, my other one somehow was thrown onto the ground and it exploded. I don't know what happened. It wasn't my fault. But yeah, got some shelves in here. Still got to bring in a bunch of stuff and having more things made, such as like the hat you've been seeing me wear and all that stuff. But my my rider parking right here, the Bandit and Patty, you guys know. Out here, we're still working on a whole bunch of stuff. So this is just kind of a temporary work area, you know. Did bring over some bikes. Got the mini bike, my 78 CB750, which you guys have not seen before. This is a 93 Katana 750 that's going to be used for another project. CX500, this is, you know, kind of top of the heap priority wise. We're just making it run and ride. And then, you know, why not? Let's do a little tour on the Segway here. Okay, yeah, so this is the easier way to travel. But the garage door is also hooked up. And this thing is sweet. I can actually open this thing from my phone. Got one of those automatic deadbolts on it. Really snazzy setup. But yeah, this place is really coming together. So going forward here, we'll just do a quick review upstairs. Bigfoot, why not? And then of course these rooms, you guys saw we have all kinds of stuff in here. This is gonna end up being like a chill out room. So I think today we might go pick up a lava lamp and maybe a cool couch or something. I don't know, we'll figure it out. That's about it. So yeah, been hard at it working on a whole bunch of stuff, and I know videos have been lacking a little bit, but probably before this video goes up, we'll have a Bandit handlebar video, and then I've also got got to do the rear wheel bearings on this thing. So I'm also finished with the CX500 Scrambler time-lapse video, so that's going to go up 1 week from this video. That's going to be awesome. I think that's going up August 7th, so we're going to do a premiere on that one, and it's going to be fun, and I'm really excited for you guys to see that. Let's see, beyond that, working on more merch. You know, you see the hat I'm wearing. I got some cool kickstand pads. You know, I mentioned I got all the bikes sitting on these things. So head over to the website and grab those. Get these patches, all kinds of stuff. So, and we're just going to be adding more to it. But really kicking butt in here. I'm excited. And probably the next week I'll be hanging the art up and starting to organize more back here, because it's just kind of a workspace right now. But the front end is coming together. So anyway, I hope you guys like this video, and look for more shop update videos, more working on bike videos, and future projects and all kinds of stuff. So anyway, hope you guys like this one. Hope to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.